Hello everyone, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a short video about how to create a fire rated plan in architectural where fire rated walls are highlighted, only walls. I'm just going to show you the example. So in this architectural plan, consider this as a fire plan and we're going to highlight the fire rated walls. There are many hours of fire rated walls will be there, but we want to only highlight what are those. So not based on the hours. For that, we're going to use the filter command. The filter command is very useful command for QC also you can use for controlling the views in different ways also. It's very useful. So we're going to learn that. So the same option is available under the visibility graphics options. And if you want to individually create the filter, you can go ahead with the filter option here. So let me directly go to the visibility graphics and the filter. The visibility graphics is applicable to this current view. So we're going to go ahead and add a filter, and you can see that there are filters available already, 1 hour, 2 hour, all the things are available. But I want to create a filter for walls which is going to be whatever the walls having fire ratings. So the fire ratings walls name will be walls fire rated, and I'm going to say OK, and the options will be created in here, name, and we're going to select what element are we going to do only for walls, not for any other elements like such as doors. So only wall, and the applicable to the element wall, and the property, what property value that we're going to assign based on the fire rating value, which contains HR. All the fire rated walls are ends with HR, so I'm going to say if it contains HR value, so hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, so if it contains, so let's them filter that particular elements. That's what we're going to say, and we can select OK. We can apply the same rules and regulations for the other as well. We're going to see a different filter useful options in the later video tutorial. So in this one we are going to be a short one which is going to highlight the fire rated. So I'm going to select the fire rated filter that we created, and we're going to select enable the filter, and the elements will be visible in the view, and element line color going to be red, and if we have to highlight both pattern which is projection line as well and cut line cut patterns as well, which is going to be red. And if you have any questions related to the foreground and background, do let me know in the comment. Also, if you want to differentiation between the projection and cut, let me know in the comment. I will create a video for you with your name. I'm going to go ahead OK, and I'm going to go with pattern for this and solid, and it's going to be red. OK, and I'm going to select OK. If needed, we can change this as well to a red color. So once it is done, so what is going to happen in this view, it's going to create fire rated walls in red color. This is how it will be showing. These are the walls having fire rated. This also helps us to understand the QC part, quality checking, whether we have done it properly or not, the properties are assigned properly or not, you can check it. So this is very useful tool, and you can use the same for other purpose of quality purposing also. And I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how the filter command works and how we are creating the fire plan, fire rated wall plans. Do let me know if you need any other tutorials related to the filter or any other commands in the Revit. I will be able to create it video for you in your name. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like and share it with your learning friends on LinkedIn. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.